Here's what the U.S. Supreme Court ruling on Trump's tariffs means for the U.S. stock market. The court ruled that the Trump administration improperly used the International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose broad, economy-wide tariffs. Justices said emergency powers cannot be used to bypass Congress for permanent trade policy. Markets initially reacted positively. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ moved higher because removing sweeping tariffs lowers import costs, eases supply chain pressure, and reduces inflation expectations, which supports corporate earnings and improves the outlook for Federal Reserve rate cuts. Technology, consumer discretionary, and retail stocks benefited the most, since many U.S. companies depend heavily on global manufacturing and imported components. But investors quickly realized tariffs may not disappear. Right after the Supreme Court blocked the IEEPA tariffs, the president quickly switched strategy, announcing a new 10% tariff under a different law, then raising it the very next day to the maximum 15% allowed under Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. And more importantly, sector-specific tariffs remain untouched. Trade actions under Section 232 for national security, like steel, autos, semiconductors, or critical technology, and Section 301 tariffs targeting unfair trade practices are still fully legal. That means industrial and domestic manufacturing stocks could continue to see protection, while multinational companies remain exposed to policy swings. The key market takeaway: the ruling reduced immediate tariff risk, but it increased policy uncertainty. And for the U.S. stock market, uncertainty often means higher volatility ahead.